Hi guys, it's Miss Robin. This video is our flashcard warm-up for our reading center. So, you guys all know what to do. Get ready to think about words and say the words. Think about it or clap it out with me. So, our first word is eggplant. So you guys know what to do. On the count of 3, we're going to clap it out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, eggplant. Okay, now we're going to do that one more time, but this time do not say egg. Ready? 1, 2, 3, plant. Nice job if you guys thought about that word and clapped it out with me. So the reason, remember, that we do this exercise is all letters make a sound, and when you push those letters together, they make words. So I want you guys to start thinking about the words in your head and realizing that letters make up words. And there's different parts to words. Sometimes 2 words pushed together make a new word, like egg is a word and plant is a word. Those 2 mean 2 totally different things, but when you push them together, they make a new word with a new meaning. Okay, our next one. Raise your hand if this one's your favorite. Okay, this is the word ladybug. On the count of 3, we're gonna clap it out. 1, 2, 3, ladybug. All right, we're gonna do it again, but this time do not say lady. Ready? 1, 2, 3, bug. Next one, backpack. Ready? You know what to do. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, backpack. Okay, do it again, but do not say back. Ready? 1, 2, 3, pack. Nice job. I have a little helper over here if you can hear him saying it too. That's my son. Okay. Oh, this is a beautiful word. It is the word sunshine. All right, let's count it or clap it out on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Sunshine. Okay, let's do it one more time, but do not say sun. Only think it in your head. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Shine.
Shine.
Okay, here's our next one. What's this? Say it out loud. Did you say seashell? I hope so, because you guys were right. Okay, let's clap it out. Ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Seashell.
Mommy, I said seashell.
Nice work. Nice job. Did you hear that? My son said seashell. Did you guys say seashell too? You did. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Okay, let's do it again. On the count of 3. This time, do not say sea. Only think it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Shell. Oh, this is my favorite one. Do you guys remember that? My favorite one is rainbow. All right, let's count it. Clap it out. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ladybug.
Rainbow. All right,
But
you know what to do. One more time. Look, we're gonna do rainbow. One more time, but do not say rain. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
do not say
Bow! All right, that is the end of our reading center warm-up. Nice job, you guys. If you participated by looking at the screen and the pictures, thinking about the words in your head, and clapping it out. I'll see you guys later. Bye.